Annabelle's a nurse and we have a foot.
Let me check.
Hola.
Hola. He's not very nervous patient here. Thank goodness it's not one of my children for the first one. Hey, Nathan?
Oh, scary.
Because then we would have, no, don't touch me, don't look.
No, but this is good to see and good to learn.
Yeah. That's
No
the
duele
wound,
tanto,
everyone, for
pero yo
stitching.
sé que era solo, está mojado, yo me quiero tapar y...
Vale, te voy a explicar cómo
We
lo
see
vamos a
we
hacer.
don't have a doctor on board, someone who's not going to be a doctor.
Pongo un poco de... Limpio un poco.
Someone who might be a
Te pongo la
doctor.
anestesia y después limpio bien
And we have all our...
y cosemos.
Bueno,
¿Vale?
sí, sí.
Ponte cómodo.
Now I know how to do it, I just haven't done it all. I don't want to hurt Charlie. I'd far rather, Annabelle can talk me through. I'll do one section.
When she opens it, could you take just a photo? Because everybody's going to ask me what it looks like, how deep it is, and then they can go.
You can take a picture before and after.
Okay.
You see, I have
Sim.
I'm an expert
Yeah.
nurse.
I take a before and after
Sempre para
picture.
fazer o profólio.
On the boat it's going to stain,
Yeah.
okay? So you need to be
You
very
just-
careful.
Don't just drip it.
Drop by drop.
Yeah, don't give it a hard
Squeeze, but
squeeze.
Softly.
well done. But on the gun, please.
Yeah.
With more, more.
Oh.
Give me.
I'm not very good at this. Oh, wow. Okay. It's that much.
¿Lo sientes ahora? Ahora no sientes ya nada.
You could eat.
Can you check if there is some more wounds like this in there? I bring goats. Sorry.
Cut yourself, exactly.
Okay.
So boys, you see what Annabelle's doing? He's putting the needle into so this is a glass thing.
I've always wanted to do that and then suck it out.
Suck it out, the fluid won't come out of the glass. How much are you doing? 3 mils.
Everything.
All of it. You're going to make it
Depend of
completely.
the.
So
It's
it's a
going to be
3
not
mil.
hurting at all.
Depend of
it's
the
squirted
how
out.
big is the wound. Sometimes you need 2 of these. So this is the worst part. Okay.
Wait, I want to see.
Go that side, Nate.
Just take it now.
So where would you decide to put the injection? Just all the way around?
You have to put. Okay, you will see. Okay,
Okay.
and it's the way to.
And are you going to lift the flap to see if there's anything
¿Te
in
duele
there?
mucho?
No, no, no.
No
Pero
te
está
duele.
preparando mentalmente con esto
Okay.
que viene.
Viene.
Dale.
Just a little bit.
You have put at the end.
You okay?
Yeah. That's better.
Yeah. At the end, you make like a bubble.
So I thought you would put it all the way around the cut.
At the end, you make a bubble.
Oh,
Only
okay.
At first.
Yeah.
And now you. Oh, you will see. I don't know how to explain it.
Yeah, that's fine. Why not? So you put what the first bit.
Because there is going to be the anesthetic working. So now from there, I go all the way around.
Around, okay. So you put it the base first.
Yeah. ¿Te duele, no? Vale. Es normal, ¿eh? No.
Sí, sí.
That's the
And you're
anesthetic
putting
coming
in,
out.
and the same way you're coming out.
You keep pushing.
Yeah, all the way back.
Okay.
I do not.
Until it comes, the needle is out.
Yeah. Otra vez voy, ¿eh?
Está bueno. Ay.
Venga.
Charlie, it's not
Después-
sore.
después
Remember,
esto-
if I need to do this to children, you can't be showing it sore.
It's only the beginning, and then once it starts working, it's over.
Esto es lo que más va a doler, ¿vale? Después ya.
I
vamos
don't
a
want
coser
that to
tranquilo.
happen to me.
So
That's why
now,
you need to
because
be
I went to here, I just put the needle before to this, and it's not going to be painful for me,
Yes.
or less
Okay,
painful.
so you put it at the base to stop
All
the
the time,
future
yeah.
ones to be painful. Oh, you're sticking
At
out the other
first,
side.
you do this,
No, it's not good.
you suck
Yeah.
to see that it's not
Yeah,
in a base, in a vein
In
or
a-
article no,
In an
Archery.
archery, sorry.
I think it's coming out the cut there.
Yeah, it's normal, sometimes coming everywhere. Maybe I will need another one.
You need
probably.
another one?
Yeah. Vamos, Charlie.
Ah, ya.
Ya está, venga. Coge aire.
Okay.
Venga, ya.
Okay, ya está. Sigamos.
You're not feeling well. Sit down. And will you use the same needle for another one or different one?
We should use another one.
Okay.
Another
Oh,
one.
well,
It's no, we are not in a hospital.
This is the same drug they use when they're making fillings in your teeth, lignocaine.
Yeah?
Is it still hurting?
Lidocaine.
I will put some on there. Just to
Sí, yo
help.
la sentía ya todavía.
Is it still hurting?
No, it's only in the beginning when she sticks it in, and then it goes away like really quick.
So
You've
is
just-
it like an aching kind of
Can I
thing?
have the other
Have
one?
you ever pierced yourself with a needle or something?
Yes.
It's like that. But it stays there. Normally if you pierce it, you pull your finger away. But like that,
just
because it stays
stays.
inside, it kind of stays there for a bit. But then when...
Good point.
The other way, okay?
Sí,
Voy,
sí,
coge
ahí,
aire.
ahí, ahí. Okay. Okay.
Vamos para adentro, ¿eh?
Allá. Pero está menos.
Muy bien. Venga, que ya vamos a terminar. Esta es la peor parte. Después de esto,
Looking at this, I think the right thing is to be doing this right now. I think
Yeah.
if you had stayed like you were,
Oh, you would have been
yeah,
had an
mate,
infection.
I think
Yeah?
It's a massive cut.
otra vez, ¿vale?
Mm-hmm.
It must have bled like anything in the
Oh, I was in the
water.
water, so like you didn't really know. You don't notice in the water. And then when I got in the dinghy, I put my vest around and I just like kept the pressure on it. And then when I got on board, I mean,
Now we
I
will
walked
leave
in, there
him
was
for
a bit of
5
blood,
minutes,
but not much.
and after that I can do the stitches.
okay.
Ahora 5 minutitos,
Sí.
nada, pasa muy rápido y ya estará dormido, no sentirá nada. Y ya empezamos a coser.
So how do we dispose of the needles? Do we have like a special thing? I mean, you know, you always see those things in the
Yeah, I
hospital, but I don't know
What did you say?
for the needle. How do you throw it?
Hay un contenedor. There is a special place where you can throw away all the needles. Now what are we going to do? I will keep all of them.
I mean, you see that
And
now.
I go to Portobello. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm just feeling lightheaded.
I will go to
See, now we
Portobello
got
and
two
throw them
patients and I'm the
There you go.
doctor.
in the hospital that is in Portobello.
Yeah.
I will throw all of
Give me
them.
cover.
Ah, see, throw them
Yes.
there.
Keep
Okay, cool.
and throw
Yeah.
there.
The surgery stuff.
No, I can't watch this part.
So wait, what? I needed to see what was in that pack again.
It literally
A
a
little hook,
fish hook
a fish
attached
hook,
to the
and
line.
your. Those are the things you open.
This is like a
Not
hook.
fish hook, please don't.
Yes,
The
okay.
thing is,
And you
you
need
don't have
to
another
tie
one
on-
like this?
No. Yes, I've got a whole pack.
No, but you don't have ones. Oh, the other one that is like a scissors, but you can.
Yeah.
We call mosquito.
Yes, I think
You have one of that.
Yeah, but I think it's in that pack.
If it's on the pack, it's okay. I will manage with this.
Are those your ones?
No, I didn't bring because I thought that I had here everything.
Yeah, sorry, the toothed ones I don't have.
Okay, this.
They're in this pack, but we're not using this pack. That pack
Okay.
is for when I need to do it, then I know what I need.
I will do all my best. But you know what? I need another one too. I never did like this.
So with those ones. Yeah, because we used like
Okay.
scissor ones.
¿Cómo está? Estamos haciendo la primera ya, ¿eh?
Allá un poquito, pero no tanto.
¿Te duele un poco?
Sí, pero ya está bien.
So you do one at a time, and then you tie off.
Oh, that doesn't.
I need another. You know,
You need scissors.
you should do one and next one. But
I always,
I don't have the material.
no.
So now I will do as.
That's even smarter.
Oh, just did a bowline on there.
Doesn't look that bad. I thought stitches would have been way
No,
worse.
so you do one at a time. You don't do it like a sewing.
No. One by one. And you leave like this because later when you have to remove, you have to
It
remove.
mustn't be too tight. 'Cause then you can't cut them out.
Yeah. ¿Cómo va?
Sí, está bien.
Ok, voy a por la segunda, ¿eh?
Dale, tú. Eso es. Acostumbrado a estos cosas. Así no, allá sentí nada, está perfecto.
¿No sentiste?
Allá nada.
Vale.
Some,
And it doesn't look that.
And he doesn't have pain.
Oh.
This is the
Now I
good
feel
thing.
nothing.
When
And
you
the-
are-
I just feel like
When you are a
just feel
nurse,
like
you always have to
Nothing.
check how your patient is.
watch
The
how
first
the snap
one,
gets
there
done.
was a
I know
little
how
piece
that
that,
works,
that
but
I
I
felt a
didn't
little
remember
bit,
how to
and
do
once
it.
it was through,
See,
it
I
was
would have
fine.
just tied
But
a
that one,
grinding
I'm
rod.
like
One day,
completely
Claire,
dead.
we will doing, with that patient, no real,
Yeah,
and we can try,
with a fish.
yeah, or no, even with the cushion, you don't have to do.
There's a cushion. Cushion. Mommy, you can save your cushions. I'll cut them open for you. Whoa. Why did I just see a big flash of light?
Was it like? So you're gonna have about
We've
10
only
in
filmed
there,
your
hey?
foot, yeah. So we won't put anything
Oh, I don't
of
mind.
you on there.
I don't
Don't worry.
mind. You can use my foot in my face, everything.
Everything. As long as she doesn't sew the wrong thing closed, it's fine. Now that she's anaesthetized you.
Yeah.
¿Cómo va?
Sew your toes
He's okay.
together. It's hard on the foot because the skin is hard.
Yeah,
So to
and my
put your
feet are
needle.
Well, those are
barefoot.
African feet, yeah.
barefoot, so the pie
So
duro.
Nathan, do you now see why I
Oh,
tell
so-
you to wear shoes
So,
when you're
Daddy,
running around the
is it
marina?
like your baguette feet?
They can't do it any other ways.
That's
That's
the
the
trouble.
problem. I mean,
No.
when you think of those syringes, all
This
the
is-
hospital is
This
using.
is one patient on here.
Yes.
In
Imagine
the
in the whole
hospital, no,
world.
in the hospital, I use double of this.
Double because you've
For the
got
same.
exactly because you've got more of the stuff. I mean, when I was doing my course, it was just
Yeah, it's something.
Use
If you like our videos and would like to support us, please take a look at our Patreon page. The link is in the text below. Your support will help us buy better recording and editing equipment, and it will also help us continue on our adventure.
Shine your light.